High School Leaving Certificate HSLC exam 2026 conducted by the Board of Secondary Education Manipur Bosem began today across 161 centers in the state. A total of 36,725 students, including 19,046 from hill districts and 17,679 from valley districts, are appearing for the Class 10 board exam. Of the total candidates, 18,350 are females and 18,375 are males. The exams are being held at 61 centers in hill districts and 100 in valley districts. When SKTV reporters visited at Imphal centers such as TG Higher Secondary School, CC Higher Secondary School and Heritage Convent Uribok, they found the exams going smoothly with students and parents arriving on time. CC Higher Secondary School Principal KH Memtombi, who is also the officer in charge of the exam center, said 298 students from 9 schools are appearing in the center. She further requested cooperation from concerned authorities to ensure the exams go smoothly. Memtombi also appealed to parents not to make their children excessively engaged in Yaosang festival activities as the festival falls within the exam break.
Parents sings the hygienic is February Tankulum de Dagi, Metric Pekasi, Hogere, Aduga, Mars ki Tarik Kulum de Sataga Davanina, Lakli ba Tarik Tarik Manga de Koi Yokshan si festivals later Banina, Koto de Yadavani, Aduna Isa sing se, Yokshan Yonba, but Parikadana Hena, emphasis Pihalaga, like you say, Gantana Pahanbiu, Karimba Sinba Korpa Tauragadi, Akanba punishment, Labanina. The parents sing na isa singbu chena biduna lai shu phachana pahan bidana koi parikha se am smoothly conduct hunbina ba parents sing da su ningsing jari. Thank you very much.
Ngasi se akhoi gi class 10 gi exam hobanu mitchida ingna chikna angang sing se yam thakatana pakhatana parikha se thana bagi damakta akhoina angan badagi adum yam kan hon ajai laibak sigi irang kari kra mayam si leina oitaraga su education gi kano sida phabama purakna ba unfair means samta season adana nasa gi akhang badu phajana ina ba khona oja sing na su angamba mateng pangani haina magi mogi room sing takpi ba khotpi ba parents sing da su emta pakhapi kanu khokano angang sing sina yarengai moida thakatana yam cool and calm da exam thana bana akhoina adum advice pije angang sing sida